Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this really quick video I'm going to show you how to remove a gel polish. I've already removed them from my other phalanges. We're just going to do the thumb. So you're going to need a cotton pad, some scissors to cut said cotton pad, a cuticle pusher and some tin foil, as well as some acetone to remove the gel polish. This little bottle of acetone is not the correct make. I've brought a ginormous bottle of acetone, and once I've used that, I pour it into this bottle so it's easier to carry around and easier to store. So yes, so that is a bottle of acetone, but not that make, just to let you know. And some hand sanitizing spray. So this is good for disinfecting your hands and your tools. So I'm just going to quickly spray my tools and then I will spray my hands. You can spray your hands or you can wash your hands. You can put gel stuff on your hands, whichever. Just make sure your hands are clean. So you could use a buffing block. I like to use an old nail file that I've used for extensions and that for acrylics. So we're just going to gently buff over that nail, getting rid of that top coat, that surface shine. With our cotton pad, we're going to cut that into 4 pieces, and we're going to grab ourselves a bit of the tin foil, so a nice square of the tin foil, and go on to soaking the cotton pad, not so much that you spill it everywhere like I just did. Soak that cotton pad in your acetone and then wrap your finger or my thumb in the cotton pad, in the tin foil, and wait 5 minutes. Okay, so we've waited 5 minutes. Let's check on this beauty, shall we? And as you can see, ta-da! It has started to crumble off. So I'm just going to pop that back on there and just wiggle it around, just get rid of that excess, and we should have just a little bit left to scrape off with our cuticle stick. Oh, that's paint, not blood or anything, just to let you know that. So with our cuticle stick, just gently flush to the nail. Don't scratch away at your nail. Just gently remove that gel polish and it should come off a good treat. So once that's off, we are going to get our buffing block, not the file that I showed you earlier, the buffing block. Buff any excess and then cuticle oil just to replenish, because we dried our nail out with a load of that acetone. As you can see, my nail is not damaged at all. It is perfect, and that's how you remove it. You continue to do it to the rest of your 9 fingers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!